Yes. Hello. Okay. I'm here with the kids here in Pune, in Empress Garden, where we are going scavenger hunting, and we are in a nature walk. And I'm here with my daughter.
Can you stop saying again and again?
Okay. Oh, okay. I just got scolded by her. She Here is Arohi, my daughter, and we have all the other kids, and we are right now looking at a centipede. If you can see, we are all standing around a centipede, and we are trying to explore nature with the kids. I think there's no better way than playing than this. Look at this! Wow, this is.
It is poisonous.
It's not poisonous. No, it is
How
not.
many legs does it have? Do you see
Can
the
you
number
see?
of legs?
I can see the legs.
Oh, how
Yes.
many legs are there?
40.
40.
40?
Okay, how
More
many
than
legs?
20.
How many legs do you see?
So we are exploring nature with all the children here, and like we say, play is the best way to learn for kids, and that's exactly what we are doing. I'm holding this basket here where we are putting in all things that we can see, and inside there are flowers, leaves, so they can play with them. So the children are doing. Let me talk to Shruti. Hi. So she is a part of Green Panther. Please tell me why play is so important and what we are doing today. And
All right, yeah. So play, as I say, is children's language, and children love to explore through touch, smell, and taste. That's the way they learn, grow, and connect.
Absolutely, and this is how we are doing it. We are running around, playing around, and the kids are, the imagination is so beautiful.
Oh, just like how we
it.
saw, they touched the tree bark and it felt like a road. And when we saw the mushroom, it felt like somebody imagined it to be caramel popcorn.
Yes,
So that's
that's
the wonderful
Arohi.
thing. That's what happens when they are in nature.
Yes, yes, I know. Thank you, thank you. So yes, that's what we are doing. Bhag rahe, daud rahe, khel rahe, and the kids are extremely interested in what is happening around. And I don't think I usually see children. Water is from the tree,
it on
baby.
this, keep it on
As a parent, this is one of the best moments for me to see my child walk around and play around in nature, which we usually don't get to see. So yeah, it's an absolute pleasure to be here and be a parent and be with other parents and children and explore this beautiful place.
Yeah, you can hold it. No problem. Okay, I think let's leave it on its own now.
Yeah,
Let's not
yeah.
bother the centipede, and we can look for some other things. Yeah? Okay, let's go. Come.
And there are children at play.
You
And
go
here
first.
they were setting off on a nature trail. Now, children need space to play, but making public areas child-friendly isn't just about playgrounds. It's about creating inclusive, safe, and stimulating environments where every child can thrive, learn, and most importantly, play. Like we're doing right here in our studio. Now, let's go across to Haripriya Suraban, my colleague from one such space in Bangalore. Haripriya, what's this place you are at?
Right, on the International Day of Play. Right, on the International Day of Play, we are here at a cafe called Rosti in the Kormangala area in Bengaluru. Here are a couple of activities lined up for the children. If you could see, there are paints here. There's a tree, painting of a tree where the children can make imprints, and then there are other activities happening. There are a couple of books kept here. There are a couple of hopscotch games. If we see people lined up there to arrange the games, the snakes and ladder game that children are playing. This is truly how children are learning here today. If anybody from Bangalore is watching it and have children, they should definitely get them here. The children are just starting to come more and more. We see here, and this is how the environment is lit up with more and more children exploring play. So we also have with us Srinivas Bhamidipati, who's the executive director of Rosti. He'll just give us a sense of what's happening here today. So tell us, why did you choose to do this at Rosti? What's the kind of importance that you see in creating spaces for play, making it more inclusive so that children can play?
Honestly speaking, it has always been like this. If you come on any Sunday morning, you will see so many children playing around and so much of activity happening. And the best part is, play is actually not only for children. This is a global reminder today to say that it is even for adults. Because for children, it may reduce stress, enhance creativity, but for adults, it will reduce stress. So both it is important. That is the reason why we do this. Not just here in Bangalore, but all roastery cafes across India.
Now that, this kind of initiative started and there are more events, so how do you plan to take this forward? As you said, this is something that's been happening, but now there's more awareness, then there is, it is